Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the October Sawflex Design Kit. I'm really excited about this. I didn't know it was coming. So it's called Spider Queen, and I want to go through it with you. So this month, obviously, we're doing a Halloween theme. We've got some purple Sawflex, and I have quite a bit of this purple. It's such a good color. I really love it. And then they sent also some of their Sawflex Crimp Tubes. Their Crimp Tubes are my favorite Crimp Tubes just because they're such good quality. I love having those. And then we got a pair of their ear wires, which are super easy to use compared to some ear wires, because you just have to bend it out and bend it back. And look, I mean, you could, so there we go. It's super easy to put a just a charm on them. I mean, that would be good to go for Halloween. That's spooky enough. But there's a whole kit. So we got these charms, some ear wires, and a clasp. So, and then, oh, and then we've got these little ones too. That's super duper cute. Then we have a Jesse James Beads custom bead mix. So you can't get this from Jesse James Beads. You have to get it from Sawflex, which is awesome because I would have been sad if I missed out on it. Let's see what's in here. It's all black and purple, which I just feel like if you do it right, you can use any color for Halloween this year. I'm going to be doing some pastel stuff for sure. I'm not going to be creating with this in this video, but I am going to be doing 13 days of Halloween, and I will be doing a video using these. I'm looking to start those on October 19th. However, if I decide to do more than 13 videos, I'll extend it. So we have these nice like emerald cut crystals. I love that shape. If I ever got an engagement ring, I would want it to be that shape. And then we've got some little briolets. These are acrylic. I call them like sugar beads. We've got some acrylic black and white striped beads. Perfect. That reminds me of like Beetlejuice. I just finished watching Cruella, and it was such a good movie. I didn't know what to think, but I really liked it, and that reminds me of it with her black and white hair. Look at these Shambala beads. They're so shiny. Oh my gosh. They make my eyes pop wide open. That's eye candy for sure. Some large big boy crystals, dark purple. I don't know if you can tell that is purple. Some teardrops. We've got some mermaid glass. I already made one video using mermaid glass for Halloween. And these are like these and the Shambala beads I think are my favorites. They're purple crystal rondelle spacers. Those are so awesome. And then we've got some black like gunmetal crystal rondelle spacers. We've got some more spiders, actually in 2 different colors. That's awesome. So we've got like 3 different types of spiders because these are very similar to the other ones. Let's see, are they the same? Yes, but different because this seems like it's antique silver and this just looks like silver. So we've got a bunch of spiders if you want a big spider project. We have these spacers. I have these in silver, but I hadn't seen them in gunmetal before, so that's pretty cool. Some more spacers, large hole. Oh, we have some fire polished check glass. It's fun. Actually, you know, I don't know if these are check. Yeah, these are check glass. They're just kind of heavy, so I think the plating's kind of heavy on them. I thought they were like hematite at first. And then these are slightly domed. They could be just spacer beads, but they're bead caps. We've got some square hematite beads. Very cool. Some crystal rondelles and some cubes. And then we've got some matte glass beads. Ooh, and some black bead caps. This is a really good mix. You could get tons, like, I mean, and I do mean tons of earrings out of these. You could get a bunch of bracelets and maybe even a necklace too. So that's a really fun mix. I love black and purple together now. Apparently, I didn't know that before. We have a clear fire polish check glass pinch bead strand. So these are little. That shape is called pinch bead. We've got purple and yellow gem cut glass, check glass rondelles. It's gonna be really hard for me to use these and not hoard them because I've never seen this color combo before. And it's like, it says yellow, but this is like a chartreusey green, and it's so cool with that purple. I wouldn't have thought that this color combo would work, but it's sassy and I love it. And I don't know if I can use them because I love them so much I want to hoard them. And then we have some jet black check glass melon beads. These are big ones. That's like a 10 millimeter. These are really nice. I love melons. Love melon beads. They're beautiful. I loved using them when I used to sell jewelry. Then we've got 2 strands of faceted fire polish beads. So we've got Opalite AB. Look at the flash on those. And we've got Lavender AB. So this one's 5 millimeter, this one's 6 millimeter. Such a cool combo. I'm loving this box, or kit, I should say. And I can't wait to create with it. I'm for sure going to be doing a video making something or several somethings with this kit for my 13 days of Halloween. So stay tuned, stay spooky, and stay tuned for Goldie. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, silly goose. Hi. Hi, silly goose. What you doing? What you doing, Goldie? Silly goose, look at those teeth. Hi, baby girl. Boop. Boop. Hi, cutie butt.